Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. Here we go then. We are back with close-up coins. In this video, there's going to be 5 close-up images of 50p coins that are all in UK circulation. As the video goes on, the 5 will get harder and harder until hopefully nobody gets the last one correct and I will finally trick you all. Again, all 5 of these coins are in UK circulation. They're meant for UK circulation. And they're not territory coins, they're not from the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey or Gibraltar. I'm going to leave this open until Friday and then I'll go through all of your answers and we'll go through all of these images with the full picture of the coin as well. So you can either be a little bit frustrated with yourself or you can celebrate getting them all correct. The video is going to be put on a loop just so you can try and concentrate without me talking in the background, so I'll just end it there. Good luck getting all these correct, and again, hopefully the last one will trick you all. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.